This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: traction control. Call today to schedule a test drive.